Good morning, dear friends on social media. Today I will be teaching you the difference between major and minor tones so that you can start learning and also adapting your ear to different tones and more. We will start with the major tones, C major, and my Facebook group where I will be linking to this video in the descriptions of this video. There I will show you the pictures, the photos of the different tones so you can follow along. C major, the tone is a bit happier compared to C minor. C major, C minor, D major happy, D minor, E minor, E major, happy, E minor, F major, G major, G minor, A major, B minor. Here you have the chromatic scale in major and minor tones. I hope you find it useful. This is an easy way to learn to adapt your ear to music, to the different tones. I hope you like it. Please subscribe, like my channel, follow me on both YouTube and Facebook. I will be posting the photos there so you can add them to your learning of the different tones. Thank you with much love. A hug to everyone. Thank you. I love you all very much. Learning the different tones is essential for any musician, whether you are a beginner or an advanced player. It helps you understand the structure of music and improves your ability to play and compose. By practicing these tones, you will develop a better ear for music, which is crucial for playing by ear and improvisation. Additionally, knowing the different tones will make it easier for you to read sheet music and understand musical notation. I encourage you to take your time and practice each tone thoroughly. Don't rush the process. Learning music is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to mastering your instrument. Feel free to ask questions and share your progress in the comments section. I am here to help you on your musical journey. Remember, practice makes perfect, and with dedication and perseverance, you will achieve your musical goals. Thank you once again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay motivated.